Hello, in this video we are going to walk through how to export a report to Excel. Whether you're working with an AP aging report or a sales order summary report, you are always able to export these reports out into Excel. So let's say I've added my parameters. I can go ahead and click Run Report. And after I run a report, you'll always see this Export button right up at the top. If I click on this, it's going to give me the ability for exporting to either an Excel or to a PDF. If I go ahead and click Excel, then it's going to show me that I have downloaded the sales order summary for this particular date. Should you have an example where you want to work with say a generic inquiry, so for instance, like the vendor summary under the inquiries in our payables workspace, what you'll see right up at the top here is whenever you run this report, this generic inquiry, and let's say you've added your additional filters or whatever the case might be, you have this ability to export to Excel with this little X button right here. And when you click on that, that will give you the ability to export this generic inquiry out into Excel. This is a rather lengthy generic inquiry, so it's going to take just a few moments here to export. But once I do that, then it will go ahead and export whatever information you're looking at in your generic inquiry into an Excel file for you to use. I hope this video helps, and I hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.